Xiaomi is getting ready to launch its next T-series phones, the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro. Now, we're getting our first real look. It reveals a copper-like finish on the rear panel. The camera island sits in the top left corner, shaped like a rounded square with beveled edges, features Leica branding in the middle. Xiaomi 15T Pro come in 3 color options. Phones are built around a 6.83-inch AMOLED panel with Corning's new Gorilla Glass 7i on top, up to 144Hz refresh rate. The Xiaomi 15T Pro packs a 50MP Light Fusion 900 main sensor with OIS, a 50MP 5x telephoto using Samsung's JN5 sensor, and a 12MP ultra-wide. On the front, Samsung S5 KKDS sensor for selfies. The device could be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of storage. The device scored 1611 points in single precision, 1572 points in half precision, and 2223 points in quantized tests. The phone could be a 5500 mAh battery with support for 90W wired charging. Pricing tip to start at €649 for the base 15T and €799 for the Pro model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.